cherry blossom. Tingnan mo, $60.
60?
Yeah. Ito maganda, oh. May, kayang-kaya mo yung gawin, oh.
I know. I can do it.
$60.
Yeah. Expensive.
Ay, ako kakanda, oh. Tingnan mo yan, pakita mo, oh. Ang ganda, oh. May, ano, video mo kasi.
Yeah.
Locally handmade art. Very expensive. This one,
So cute.
I don't know how much is it. It's expensive. Oh, this is $20. $20. Ayan o. Butterfly. So cute.
This the plant is good. See? Landscape.
Ayan o. Tingnan mo ito. Tingnan mo yun. Pakita mo. Ayan o. Ayan o. 300. 300. It's, I know it's,
I do it.
oh wow.
I do it, yes. Anyway,
Mga arts. Halika, dali na, dali na. Yan pa mga cups, oh. Ay, ang daming flower, oh. Yan, cups. Oh. Yan, ganda. May discount din. Ang dami, oh. Foodie. Diyan, dum, oh. Uy, bay, ano, oh.
Hawak mo ang brief. Hawak mo ang brief.
Ayun na. Ay, picture mo ako doon.
Ay,
Yun,
di
yun,
post ko
yun.
lang post natin.
Yun. I-push mo muna.